Hello everyone. So if you want to hide the Bluetooth icon from your Android status bar, here's how to do that. First of all, open up the Galaxy tool. After that, let's tap on the search icon at the top right corner and let's search for our Good Lock application. Good Lock application. Great. Now choose it and press install. Great, now let's press open. Press agree and continue. And let's start. So first of all, we gotta locate and add up a correct plugin that is gonna help us. In our case, it's called QuickStar. So scroll down through the list and locate your QuickStar. Let's tap on it and let's tap on this download icon. Let's give it some time to be downloaded. That was pretty fast. Now tap on this play icon in order to start it. Tap on this switch near off to start it up once again. And now let's press visibility of indicator icons. And here simply locate your Bluetooth. There it is. Make sure to turn it off. And basically that's it. Now you're done. Now you can try and open up your Bluetooth, turn it on, turn it off, press done. No Bluetooth icon is appeared to be on. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.